only just stretch and pose your hand. So she feel a little bit little bit pain. Okay, and this is the pain. Just only you have to do 1 minute this. Nice, simple. Open the shoulder and this side. Nice, simply. We feel stretch here. We feel stretch here and look up. Inhale. Up. Oh. Okay. Good. Hip rock. Up. Wow. Nice. So move your neck. Move your wide. Tight leg. Say thank you.
Thank you so much.